there you go, guys. There's part one of the bed frame. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here with the primary structure of the headboard and footboard done. I know that there was a small jump between where I was building and the dry fitting themselves of the actual boards. It was because there was a lot of finicking around and not a lot of fun stuff to watch, but that's what the boards look like, or that's what the headboard and footboard look like, and I am super excited to get the rest of it done. Now, one of the big things that I learned during this episode is to make sure that all of your boards are exactly the same dimension. It sounds a lot easier, but I tried, and on my planer it had everything going to exactly the same thickness, but because there was just minute differences to like a 1/16 or a 32nd of an inch off every single time I ran one of the headboard or footboard primary baseboards through, when I went to the router table, everything was off just that much. And so some things were slip fit, some things were interference fit, and nothing fit together quite right, which led to a lot of the struggle in getting these guys together. So I recommend, and what I'm going to be doing from here on out, is do one final pass at the right depth or at the right dimension. So leave everything, I mean, even just a hair thick, go down to exactly the dimension you need and run everything through there. And if every board just has a teeny tiny bit taken off of it, you know that everything is exactly the right dimension. So at any rate, learn from my mistakes. Don't make everything sloppy and fitting weird and everything tight. So go ahead and try and do that. And if you guys have any other tips, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Same thing if you have questions. If you have questions about how I did this or why I did things a certain way, leave them in the comment section as well. And if you like the kind of content we're producing here at Northwest Craftsman, we would absolutely love it if you guys could like and subscribe, like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're seeing the community grow, and it's super, super exciting. And I love having the questions, and I love having the interaction with you guys around. All right, thank you guys for joining. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for a part 2. Okay, bye.